I better find your loving. I better find your heart.
Good morning, y'all. As I can see by the title, today I will be just a day in my life as a mom. Today is Mother's Day. Today is Sunday, May the 12th. Mother's Day, me I go to church. The girl is going to church. You know, say at church, they might give you the little, gift them. You know, it's the Mother's Day and stuff. But I was at church for Mother's Day. I have my baby here with me right now. Come, Nana. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I just want to thank God for waking me up this morning. Thank Him to make me see Mother's Day with my child. Yes. And guys, watch up the video that I dropped about the hair. So let's go. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna be wearing. Go to church today. So with a red black dress here, and this is what baby K is going to wear. This orange and white with her jacket. So I'm gonna wear my black slippers, my black with silver slippers because you know black day in this. So as I go bed and I go to my bed, probably not. Bed, get ready and all. So let me take care of what's going to happen in this video. Basically, today is Mother's Day. First Mother's Day. So go to church for Mother's Day. That's what got happen at church. Then we come home. We're gonna relax and all that. It's nothing much. I'm trying to keep it active for y'all. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, guys. Go to subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna use this to wash my face. That's why my face is clear now. This is good for your face. Use this. So your girl finished shower, your girl is calm. What am I saying? So your girl just came out to shower. Put on my clothes, fix up my ear back, showing her everything, showing her the process. Get ready, my daughter. Yeah, but you're not gonna see her.
Take her higher, higher. Fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her.
So y'all, this is the finishing look. Me for Mother's Day. Yeah, so these are the finishing look myself. When I ear, if you pay nobody for me ear. And the dress one I have on, it's a black, it's a red and black dress. My squads down there so looking nice, girl come out. You good for church? Church girl. My dad's up on the bed right now, asleep. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please like. So guys, we reach at church and you know. Y'all, so we are going to the shop. Yes, I have to buy something to eat because don't eat. I'm gonna show you everything. Just yeah. Grandfather, I'm a baby. Michaela. Namada. Namada.
Me care don't have me in a shop, make you piss.
You never know to name mother.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a mother.
I'm gonna get this. Me a vlog. I'm a juice.
Mad.
So guys, I'm going for that my baby. We Sunday school teacher na commit. And then again, I can't go video na Sunday school because Steven. From my video about you know go hear you just got hear when I teach. Also, I go video the service and everything. What happened Mother's Day to me again?
We have stuff that I hear where them not belong there, so we have to pull them up right from around and get rid of them, right? You don't do that. If you let that country and give them that country and never ever know this elderly folks, the adult class, not supposed to know this, not true. Right? Can you imagine how some this just grow and just a choking character that you see? And you miss sometimes you pull up in this and you come like it's so hard. If you use the machete and a chop it. And also that thing, so some weeds.
We are right now in the office. Feed the baby as you can hear. That's a car breast. This video isn't gonna be a lot. You know, I'm gonna start try be consistent because I want to drop about 5 to 6 videos this month and I already upload 2 videos. So this is gonna be the 3rd video. I'm gonna show y'all but I'm gonna show y'all the Mother's Day gifts because I'm in the office. So I'm gonna show y'all the gifts. So guys, the mirror are the gift for the mothers them when them come at church. Yeah. I don't know say I'll get my gift. real. So let me add the gift. You know, churches give away mother's gift. If in a cup then give away water bottle. If in a water bottle, then give away free man name something. A lot of stuff.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Go ahead, one spoon.
And called the child's mother. And Pharaoh's daughter said unto her, take this child away and nurse it for me, and I will give thee thy wages. And the woman took the child and nursed it 10 months. And the child grew, and she brought him unto Pharaoh's daughter, and he became her son. And she called his name Moses, and she said, because of the children of the people.
Thank you.
verse 10. Who can find a virtuous woman for her price is far above rubies. Proverbs 31:26 and 29. She openeth her mouth with wisdom, and in her tongue is the law of kindness. She openeth the door to the gates of her husband, and gives her milk in her abundance. Her children realize and our heaven, and honor is. Her husband also and he praises her. Many daughters have been virtuous people, but God excels in them. Blessed are the mothers who love God, for their children shall not be ignorant of their prayers and discuss concerning her. Blessed are the mothers who love the Lord of God, for their children shall know the way the truth of the light. Blessed are the mothers who love the Most High God, for their children shall enter there and sit with them in the presence of God. Blessed are the mothers who love to pray, for their children shall be the power of prayer and men shall find salvation. Greetings from our Bishop
Auntie, go with the phone out there, sir.
and his wife, and who permitted him to be here today.
Guys, right now church is over. As you can hear, I didn't video the preaching, but I video as much as I can. I'm going to show you the rest of the service and take some pictures, yes, and yeah, that's it. But I'm gonna video and show you all. Royalties, some come back from church and everything. Church was amazing. Church was good, you know. All about praising the Lord, thanking the Lord that I lived to see my first Mother's Day and I lived to see my child. That none of us didn't die. Two of us live, and just want to thank God for everything. And guess what, guys? Get a little church thing. It's a little present from church. So today, so the gift here, yeah. The wrapping, it's a blue and white, it's a blue and silver bag. See here, they've got them good things. So this is what we get in the little giffy bag. So in the little giffy bag, we get this. We get a water bottle. Yeah, we get a water bottle. I got purple. The show tell Nikki say, wow, purple, like just glad to get purple. And next thing we get a little fashion. Something I always say Happy Mother's Day in a pink. And in a little goodie, we get a little sweetie, and we get this Happy Mother's Day. And we get a little sweetie. So that's basically it. That's what we got. Water and sweetie. Now complain. Mama's like that. I'm gonna gift. This is the end of the video, guys. I just want you to like, comment, share, subscribe. We want to 10k subscribers, and I just want to thank y'all for supporting me, and Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that's out there that have their baby that are pregnant, that their baby died. You're still a mom even though your baby died. Alright, well, Happy Mother's Day to all y'all. Happy Mother's Day for the stepmothers that you don't have a child but you have a child which is somebody else's child. This Happy Mother's Day to all that, you know. Happy Mother's Day. May God continue to bless you, guide you, I bring it true. Guys, it's me here, me do it. And I love y'all.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart.